Okay, welcome back to AutoCAD tutorial session 2. This is Jonathan. We're going to continue what we're doing with the 3D wireframe that we have over here. What I really want to show you guys really is some common mistakes that'll happen and more or less how to go about it, how to fix it, how to move on from that mistake. Mistakes are going to happen, so don't worry about it. So at first it did seem a little tedious to delete those little individual lines over there, but all we have to do is be a little preemptive about it. If we scroll back up, right, we selected the top and bottom. If we only selected the top and these two truss members, or these four truss members over here, we wouldn't have had to deal with that. So being preemptive is pretty important. And that's going to be really like an overall theme in Bridge Team. So I left earlier talking about what SAP does not like. Well, what does SAP like? Well, SAP likes a layer called frames usually. So we're going to learn about layers. So I'm going to maximize my screen so you can see it. So we're going to make a new layer. So you can click on this, layer properties, and a little window pops up. Let's say you don't want to click, or let's say your screen looked just like my screen first. Well, you could just type layer, and the same thing will pop up. Either way will work. What's key is that you know how to get there. Let's say you have this, you can still go here, drop down menu happens, and you still click it, it still opens. No big deal. So to make a new layer, we're gonna hit that over there. Also says Alt N, that also works, or clicking that also works. So we're gonna name a layer by clicking that, and then we're gonna type in frames, just like that. So when we call it frames, we're also going to change the color of it. So in AutoCAD, the different colors actually have a number system according to it. So white is over here, and it has color index 7, but we want color index 2 for yellow, just so it stands out. You can make it blue if you want, but I'm going to follow this and call it yellow, or color 2. So now our frames layer should be yellow, which means that we need to make this, our bridge look like this bridge over here. We're going to select it just like that, go over here, click on this bar and click on frames, and bam, that's it. Hit save. We're pretty much done. We're ready to export this out to SAP. We're going to go over that next time, but I just really wanted everyone to know that you have to make sure your layers are set correctly. Layers are pretty key when it comes to Bridge Team. You can always make a lot of layers, and I can also make it so that I can turn them on or off, or locked or unlocked. You're going to be using them a lot. It's really helpful in terms of editing, but we'll go over that in sort of an extension of AutoCAD Session 2 in 2.5, which is also the first SAP session. So we'll see you then.